The Transform U sUper-close T-800 is the entry level to the 3 tiers of super-close trimmers from Transform U. Let's check it out. This is everything you get inside the pack. Taking a closer look at the unit itself, it has a full metal body, round design that really sits well in the hand, so you can hold it at any angle. On the front, you'll see on and off switch, and below this you have LED display that shows you the battery life. This has a lithium-ion battery inside. It's a 3-hour charge for a 3-hour runtime and charges via the USB-C port on the bottom. Included in the box, you have a USB-C to USB-A cord and a wall plug to USB-A adapter as well. It's got a skeleton detached T-blade, so as you're using it, you can see what you're doing and make sure that you get those lineups nice and tight. The unit magnetically clips on and off, so it's simply a matter of pulling it off like so, and then clipping back on like that, letting the magnets click it in. This makes it really easy to clean. You can remove and rinse under the tap to remove any hair buildup on the blade. Also included is a brush for cleaning and a small bottle of oil to keep the blades lubricated. The blade itself is stainless steel and cuts to a 0.5mm and has this T design, so you can use the corners of the T to get into the smaller areas to again do that detailing so well. Inside you have a 6,500 RPM motor able to drive the blade through any hair type. Also included in the pack is a cover for the blade, so when not in use the blade edge is protected, and 3 separate guide combs. These clip onto the main blade and give you different trimming lengths of 1, 2 and 3mm, so you can choose the right length for you. The Transform U sUper-close T-800, a great choice for the entry level of the detailing and outlining trimmers. Thanks everyone for watching it. Check out the rest of our YouTube channel for other great videos and click the subscribe button below to be notified when we publish new videos.